Goddamn, spent 5 bins on some ball mean, that's a lot, man. I pull strings like a violin. Ayy, boogie damn, he be wildin'. Nigga, who scared? You think I'm scared? Put them goons on you, that's a nightmare. I got 10 guns, I don't fight fit. Got a buzz now, this a light year. It's that new shit. Got a new bitch, I spent 2 bins on her new kicks. Hanging from my neck, that's a Cuban. I swear you don't wanna see me lose it. When I Cuban, got bust down, told them bitches I don't give a fuck now. I'm a boogie, nigga, what now? See me shining, wanna show me love now. You a dud now. When I see you, I'ma treat you like you see through. Thought I told you, I don't need you. You was old news, I'ma be cool. Nigga, stop it. I'm from High Bridge, where you see a whole lot of fly shit. Louis V hoodie on my bitch. Now I'm flexing, you would think I got rich. I know it's real, so keep it 1,000. In the field, swerving in that Audi. Fuck your feelings, fuck whoever doubt it. Told the plug, ain't no need to count it. I know it's real. I know you in the field. I know you say you drill. I know it's real, my nigga. I seen a lot now. And if you talk about that shit, you might get shot down. I'm immaculate, I feel. I see hatred in they grill. All blue faces on my bills. I keep thugs with me still. Try to take it, they gon' kill. Got no patience, they just drill. All they places getting filled. Ain't no cake, then ain't no deal. When I be riding, I got it. Trust me, I got it, I promise. I fuck with good girls who look like they coming straight out of Onyx. They in college, I pull up on them and work on a project. My name is Artist, I got it. They give me brain, I'm just watching. I put my thumb in the button. She told me, nigga, you wildin'. I keep on fucking with her. After I say I'm gon' stop it, no lovey-dovey no more. Baby, I'm just being honest. I'm going hard and I promise. Like I play for the Rockets. I put my homie on, now his rollie on. That shit flooded, but me hoodie on. I get what I want, I get money. Ain't no need to front. This ain't what you want, bitch, you bugging. If you say what's real, we could probably chill. That's 100. I know what's